What's the meaning of competence? Competence. Competence.
Competence. Competence. Competence refers to the ability or aptitude of an individual to perform a task or job effectively. It is a combination of knowledge, skills, experience, and other personal traits that enable someone to carry out their responsibilities in a competent manner. Competence is essential in both personal and professional life as it helps individuals to succeed in their career and achieve their goals. A competent person is reliable, trustworthy, and capable of producing high-quality work. They possess the necessary expertise and confidence to handle various challenges and adapt to changing circumstances.